Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper bag of chips. So this video consists of how to make a paper bag, and that bag consists of making chips. And I'm going to be showing you guys two ways of making chips. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end. So first, for this activity, we need a rectangular piece of paper. So now we'll be seeing how to make a paper bag for the chips. So now I'm just going to be folding the paper in half like this. So the next step is that I'm going to be folding the paper a little bit past the middle line. And I'm going to be repeating the same step on the opposite side so that each part touches the corner part of the paper. So we have to fold it. I'm opening it and folding it one more time like this. So after we complete this, I'm taking a glue stick and I'm applying some glue on top part of one paper, and I'm sticking the other paper on top of it. So now I'm pressing on it from the top so that it sticks well. So now I'm just keeping my fingers inside here. Then we'll have a hole like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be folding the paper a little bit on the bottom part like this. And now I'm just going to be opening this over here like this. Then we have to fold it on both sides of the paper so that we get a triangle like this on both the sides. So now I'm just taking the bottom part and I'm folding it a little bit past the middle line over here. And I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So now I'm opening one side of the paper and I'm applying glue on the other side and I'm sticking the top part to it. So after we complete this, we'll have a structure like this. So now I'm folding the paper a little bit on both sides of the paper. So after we complete this, we have to unfold it and I'm turning the paper to the opposite side and I'm repeating the same step. So after we fold it, we have to unfold the paper. So now I'm just keeping my fingers inside this bag and I'm taking this bottom part, I'm unfolding the bottom part like this. So now I'm just pressing on the bag on the corner parts over here. So we just have to apply some force, and now I'm just pushing this middle part inside like this, and I'm folding the paper backwards like this. So now we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So I'm pushing the middle line inside and I'm folding the paper backwards. So after we complete this, I'm just keeping my fingers and I'm straightening this part and I'm straightening the other part as well. So now I'm just keeping this paper over here and I'm taking a scissor and I'm just pressing this on the bottom so that it will be more straight at the bottom part. So after we complete this, our bag is ready. So now I'm just going to be making a small design on the bag. So I'm just folding it back inwards over here. I'm just flattening it and I'm taking a black marker and I'm just writing chips on the top. So you guys can put any design on the bag and you can decorate it using your own creativity. So after we write chips, I'm just going to be taking a yellow marker and I'm just going to be drawing a circle at the bottom part. And I'm going to be drawing two lines inside this circle diagonally like this. So after we complete this, I'm just taking a black marker again and I'm going to be drawing a outline boundary for the chip over here. And now I'm going to be writing yum at the bottom part of the chip. So as I said, you guys can make your own design with this. So now I'm opening the bag again and making it straight like this. So now our paper bag is ready. Next we'll be seeing the first way of making a chip. So for this I'm taking a circle. I cut out a yellow circle because the chip is supposed to be yellow in color. So if you guys are going to make a different color chip, you guys can take another color. So now I'm just going to be folding the paper, the circular paper at the bottom, and I'm turning the paper to the opposite side and I'm folding it like this. So we have to repeat this step alternately. So you guys would have seen my video of making a Japanese fan. So in that video, I told you guys about how to make a Japanese fan using a square piece of paper. So this chip also involves the same step, but we have to do it with a circular piece of paper. So after we complete this, I'm just opening and our paper chip is ready. So you guys can repeat the same step and make more chips like this in the same way. So now we'll have a couple of chips. So now I'm going to be teaching you guys the second way of making a chip. So this way involves a square piece of paper. So I'm taking a square piece of paper and I'm folding it in half. So now I'm unfolding it and I'm folding the paper in the opposite side in half. So the next step is that we're supposed to fold all the four sides of the paper to the middle point. So we have to do this slowly, like this. So after we complete this, I'm just folding the paper a little bit from all the sides to form a octagon-like structure. An octagon means it has 8 sides. So now we'll get a structure like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be folding the paper a little bit like this, and I'm turning the paper to the opposite side and I'm repeating the same steps. So as I told, we have to repeat the same steps that we did in the first method, but we just have to use a square paper and a few steps are different at the beginning. So now I'm turning it to the opposite side and I'm repeating the same step. So after we complete this, I'm just opening this and our paper chip will be ready. So these chips look like the same almost, but they are a little bit different in look. So after we complete this, our paper chips are ready. So we can make more chips like this and we can put it inside the bag. So I just made a few chips already and I'm putting it inside the bag. You guys can make it. So now our paper bag of chips is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Practicals. So before I conclude, I want to thank you all for supporting my channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. Bye!